thinking. Without Sheldon, most of us would have never met, but Penny would still live across from him.
And with Leonard out of the picture, we all know what that would mean.
We do? Hey, Sheldon.
Hello.
Doing laundry?
Of course I'm doing laundry. Saturday night is laundry night, and I'm in a laundry room, so I believe your inference is justified.
My inference is justified. Sheldon, you are so funny. Anyway, I need to do my laundry too because these clothes are so dirty. Almost as dirty as the dirty girl who's wearing them. Okay, that's enough.
Disagree.
Keep going.
So, what do you think?
A tad asymmetrical, but nothing to be concerned about.
Please, Sheldon, I need you.
To what?
To take me.
I'm not taking you anywhere till you put on a shirt.
Come on, Sheldon. You and me, right here.
Penny, for the 1000th time, I'm saving myself for someone special. Perhaps a cute, bespectacled neuroscientist with hair the color of mud.
I think I know how to change your mind.
That's enough. I was okay with it.